This is a short, informative video on how to upgrade your SSD in your laptop. Upgrading is always better than replacing the entire machine. It will save you money and is better for the environment. Make sure to back up all important documents and media, delete any unnecessary files, and run a Windows disk cleanup. If you're upgrading a laptop on a Mac or Linux operating system, there are other options provided online to help you sort out your files before upgrading. There are free and paid-for disk loading tools and backup software, as well as a USB to M.2 adapters available online to help you do this. Make sure your laptop is switched off and unplugged. Wait at least 2 minutes for the power to dissipate. Whilst waiting, get all your equipment ready and ground yourself by touching a radiator, for example. Unscrew the back of your laptop and open it up. Please refer to your laptop's user guide for help with this. Your SSD will be located here in your M.2 drive. Just unscrew and unplug. Then you can firmly but carefully plug in your new SSD and screw it in securely. Line up the back of your laptop and screw it back on. Don't just throw away your old SSD. There are many companies that provide trade-in schemes such as TechBuyer. By trading in your used IT hardware, you're helping to breathe new life into IT equipment that would otherwise be sent to landfill. When it is necessary to dispose of your decommissioned IT equipment, they will do so in a way that is friendly to the environment and is also in complete compliance with the waste electric and electronic equipment regulations. Your laptop is only as fast as its slowest component. As well as installing an SSD, upgrading RAM can also increase your laptop's performance, and it's just as simple to install.